Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2018 Jeep Compass. This Compass is featured in a silver paint finish and is the sport trim. Under the hood we have a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine paired to a 9-speed automatic transmission and our four-wheel drive system. Inside the vehicle we have a Sandstorm Interior with black accents with seating for 5. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power mirrors, power windows, and power locks, storage, as well as our speaker. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of our headlight and our display cluster lighting. You can see the seat here finished in our Sandstorm cloth. Getting into the vehicle and starting our ignition, you can see we have a push to start just on the right hand side, so foot on the brake and pushing our ignition. Above our steering wheel we have our display cluster. In the center we have our information system with a digital speedometer. Left hand side of the steering wheel we have all of our controls for our display cluster in the center, as well as our hands-free in the bottom. Right hand side is all of our cruise. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. You can power it on with our left our left button, and we also have our volume. You can see it's a Uconnect system. We have AM, FM radio, media input, a phone, as well as compass, settings, and more. If we put the vehicle into reverse, backup camera with our guidelines, volume and mute on the left side, and screen off and tune on the right. We have our climate control below that, as well as hazard lights, heated front seats, as well as heated steering wheel, our four-wheel drive settings, as well as we can see we have auto, snow, sand, and mud terrain settings, a USB, aux, and 12-volt plug, shifter with a leather finish, auto stop start, traction control, and our parking brake, 2 cup holders, and also our center console with some storage. For whatever reason, I threw the keys on the seat. So on the key, we have locks and unlocks, our remote start, and our panic button. You can see the seat here for our passenger, also finished in our sandstone cloth and heated. Lastly, above the rearview mirror, we have our dome lighting controls. Now moving down the side of the vehicle. Moving to our front tire and rim, we have an alloy rim with our Jeep center cap and an all-terrain tire. Moving out, we have black finished mirrors and our black finished door handles. All the way around to the back of our vehicle, we have our Jeep badging, as well as 4x4 and sport badging in chrome. Backup camera in the center. Have our tailgate in a manual system. In the second row, we have 60/40 folding rear seating. Underneath the back, we have our handle with access to a full-size 5th tire if we choose. Storage on either side, as well as a 12-volt plug. We can close the vehicle through the right-hand side. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have our chrome finish door handle, power window control. You can see we have storage as well as our speaker. Inside the vehicle, in the back of the driver's seat, we have a storage pocket, as well as in the back of the passenger seat. 2 vents between the 2 seats, as well as a single USB for charging. Moving to the seats in the second row, they match the seats in the front, finished in our sandstone cloth. In the center seat, we have 2 foldable cup holders with some storage in the center. Lastly, we can fold these seats up on the side to make some additional storage space. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walkaround of the 2018 Jeep Compass. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Cadillac soon.